In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode on Udemy in just under 5 minutes. Dark mode is not just a trendy feature. It's great for easing eye strain during long study sessions, helps save battery on mobile devices, and can even make your computer run a bit cooler. Unfortunately, Udemy itself doesn't offer a built-in dark mode option, but there's an easy and quick workaround that we're going to explore today. First things first, the fastest way to achieve dark mode on Udemy, specifically on a desktop, is by using an extension. Extensions are small software programs that customize your browsing experience. For our purposes, we'll install an extension that is specifically designed to provide a dark mode experience for Udemy. This is an efficient and straightforward way to get the desired result without hassle. You'll want to start by visiting NightEye Udemy Dark Mode. This site is dedicated to helping you enable dark mode on Udemy. Once you're on the page, look for the button that says Get Dark Mode. Clicking this button will redirect you to the Chrome Web Store, where you can find the required browser extension. Now that you're on the Chrome Web Store page for the Dark Mode NightEye extension, the next step is straightforward. Click on Add to Chrome. A pop-up will appear to confirm whether you want to add this extension to your browser. It's safe and quick. Just give it a thumbs up by clicking Add Extension. This action begins the installation process. As you follow the installation prompts, take a moment to pin the extension to your browser's toolbar after it's installed. If you've never pinned an extension before, it's quite simple. Click the puzzle piece icon on the top right corner of your browser, find NightEye in the list, and click the pin icon next to it. This ensures that NightEye is easily accessible whenever you need it. Once the extension is successfully installed and pinned, go ahead and navigate over to your Udemy account. Log in as you normally would. With Udemy open, you'll click on the NightEye extension icon in your toolbar and activate dark mode. It transforms the color scheme of your Udemy interface from the usual white background to a sleek dark mode, which not only looks cool, but is also much gentler on your eyes, especially in a dimly lit environment. And just like that, your screen will seamlessly transition from its standard layout to a more visually soothing dark mode. This small adjustment can truly improve your online learning experience, making it more comfortable for longer study sessions. That's all it takes. You've now learned how to enable dark mode on Udemy with just a few easy steps. Thanks for watching, and make sure to enjoy the benefits of your newly dark-themed learning environment.